Smoggy here, back with another video. I just want to say that it's been a while since I've seen you guys. We haven't made another video, and here it is. So, happy 4th of July, everyone. We already have firecrackers, and today's gonna be a good video because we're gonna see a lot of fireworks booming and blasting out of the sky. So stay tuned.
Here it is. This is the moment for truth.
Oh wow!
Oh wow! Look at that.
That's so pretty.
It is pretty. And is it gonna do it?
Oh my god!
And oh! What? Wow! Let's go! Whoa! Oh my god! That was epic. Oh, this is the next one, guys! Oh my god! What? Jesus! Oh my god, that was even cooler. That was lit. Lit, bro. Oh! I did it! Oh no! Oh my! Oh my god! Look at that! Oh my goodness! Oh my god! Wow! Oh geez! Oh, Jesus! Oh my god! It's making a huge explosion! Making a huge explosion! A bit lit! Right, guys? Oh wow! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I'm sorry, my hand. Wow. Right, next one, guys. Next one. Here it is. Red and green lights. Wow, I like that. It's a bit slower, but still good. Wow! Alright, this is the next one. Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my God. Oh. Whoa, it's going again. It's going again. It's going again. It's going again. Oh, last. Oh my gosh. Oh, last one. Oh my gosh. That was the last one. These two are the last ones. Oh my god, they're making a huge explosion here. Oh my. This is so lit. This is even more than lit. Litter than lit. Oh my god. Whoa, let's go. Yeah, wait, what? No, I'm recording. Oh, wow. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, wow. Really lit. This video is lit. Torches on the house. It's on again. Alright, you really can't see the missiles going up, but they're still going up. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh.
Where's your other shoe, Amina? Amina, where's your other slipper?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's super.
Oh, there's. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at that. Oh my. Wow, with these guys. Oh my god. There's so much fireworks. Oh my gosh. Oh, I missed that one there.
Do I have to put my shoes on?
No, you don't.
Whoa, wait, hold on.
Come on, let's go.
Hurry up, Amina.
Go this way. Come.
Alright, I don't need to put my shoes on.
Come this way.
Alright, we'll see you on the other side. We'll see you on the other side. Alright. Alright. Oh! And bam! Look at that! And oh wow, look at that! Wow! Oh my gosh! Oh, over Yeah, right here is more sand. I mean, give us less sand. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh, guys. Comment down below. Guys, comment. Hold on. Oh, wait. Oh, my gosh.
What? Same here.
Oh, God. Okay, guys, comment down below what firework was your favorite.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Be quiet. Oh. Oh. Look at all these fireworks. Oh, even there as well. I don't know what side to do. I'll zoom in. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, look at over there. Oh, you can even see that one. Oh, you can even see that. Oh my God, guys. Oh my gosh. Whoa.
All right, come on.
This is,
Kylie,
oh my gosh.
let's go closer. Let's go to the dock.
So what?
Wow.
Go closer there. Come here. Take your shoes. Amina, take your shoes.
Hold on.
Right here. Come on.
All right. Guys. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, hold on. We have to go. Oh, the trees are blocking it. Oh my gosh.
Sand.
I need to take my feet off. Ah. Oh, you hear that popping sound? Hold on. Guys, so we got closer to the fireworks. Maybe you might see more over there. Oh, you can even see it. Oh, too late. Hold on. It's coming. Let's go in here.
Oh, let's make it into water.
All right. You're gonna see some. I knew I will. I knew you will. Hold on. Oh, there's one over there. Can you really hear it? Wait.
I don't know how come they didn't do
All right, we'll see you when there's
Guys,
more fireworks.
thank you so much for watching. I know you can't see me, but here I am right here. Thank you so much for watching. That was it for the fireworks. Like and subscribe. Comment down below what firework was your favorite. And as always, thanks for watching. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Or Independence Day. Peace.
You really can hear those beep. I mean, no, they're not beeps. You can really hear those whistling sounds and those really good taps. Those really good clicks. All right.
You like the lake, Amina?
See that disco thing over there? Turn a lot of different colors. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Whoa. Let's go. You can see them going up. Whoa, let's go. Whoa. That was the best firework. There's one over there, but that went away. Oh, there's more. Oh, let's go. It came from over there. Oh, it's going again. Oh my goodness. That was like the best fireworks ever. Oh, it's going in. Oh, bam. And, oh, you could really see them going up. All right. You can really see them going up. And bam. And bam. Boom. Wow, look at that crash. Look at her. Bam, bam, wow. Boom. Hope there's more. Let's wait for a few seconds. Yeah, we know, Kyla. Let me make this video.
Alright, it's just flaming right there. What, Dad? I'm making a video. Just be quiet.
Come here, Boogie. Come here. No.
Oh, is that it? Oh, there's more over there. I think they're starting to light it up. Oh. Oh, bam.
Come on, Morgan.
Dad, I'm making a video, okay?
No more fireworks. Let's go.
I hope there is. Dad, I think you need to be quiet. I'm doing a really good video. It's really cool. Pretty sure the viewers will like this. Wow, now they're just making a campfire. That sucks. I mean, it doesn't suck for them.
They might
Well,
put it into the fire or something or whatever. You remember they're freaking made of cardboard.
Yeah, I'm hoping that sounds.
I don't think the fireworks.
Let's go.
They're being. My parents are being really dynamic.
like the rest.
Well,
Yeah, the first standing
let's hope
right
these
next to it, they're
fireworks.
not-
Oh my God! That, those are all huge explosions. What a blast! Everything will be a blast. Everything will come to a showdown.
Come on, Mogi.
Wait, Dad, I'm not done. I'm not done watching. All right. Hold on. Still see that? You can still see that. Look at the stars. Oh, I missed that. Oh. That's not a boat. Boats are not long. All right, hold on. I am. All right, hold on. Let me go back to.
Maybe we get a boat next year.
I hope we get a boat next year. We are gonna get a boat this year. I mean,
Come on.
Dad, that was pretty much not it.
You burned that for
Send that.
You burned that for them.
Yeah.
From 12 till 6.
All right, Dad. What about the other side again? Let's go.
We have the jungle.
Dad. Shall we go to that side now?
Yeah. No, we're going to the car. Come on.
Wait, why the car?
We're going to the car. Let's go, Danya.
Wait, that was it?
Yeah, they didn't do fireworks.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's more right there.
Yeah, wait, that's just easy.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Oh God. Oh my gosh.
Kyla's phone?
Wow.
No, I don't have
What
it.
a blast. These are all exotic. All these fireworks are mythic.
Mogi, take your slippers.
I know what I'm doing. Hold on. All right.
Straight.
Well, that was it for the fireworks. So, fireworks over there. Closer zoom. Oh, yeah, it's already zoomed a lot. Oh, you hear that whistling sound? Hold on. Oh, wait, hold on. Gotta zoom back in. Gotta zoom back out. Gotta zoom back out.
I think.
All right.
Nothing, the water.
We need to keep looking for some fireworks.
Nina, come here. Let's go.
All right, stop talking, Dad.
Come on, guys.
One more thing. Oh, I missed it. All right, hold on. This is final one before we end the video. Well, it'll pop out sooner or later. Pop out eventually. Hold on, my fingers are in the way.
There he is.
Hold on. Oh wow, I missed it. Well, that was it. Well, that's it for the video, guys. Bye, guys.
Amina, you have the phone?
All right, guys. Bye, guys.